Most people think pest control is complicated. They imagine chemicals, special equipment, and professionals in uniforms doing things you could never do yourself. But what if I told you there's something sitting in your kitchen right now that pest control companies really don't want you to think about? It's cheap, it's simple, and you've probably used it for baking or cleaning, yet it has a surprising connection to one of the biggest industries built around fear and inconvenience. Today, we're talking about why pest control companies hate baking soda. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why something so basic can quietly change how you think about pests, your home, and your health. Pests are more than just annoying. They make people anxious, embarrassed, and uncomfortable in their own homes. Whether it's ants in the kitchen, roaches in the bathroom, or mice in the walls, pests trigger a feeling that something isn't clean or safe. That feeling is powerful. It's the reason pest control is a multi-billion-dollar industry. When people feel out of control in their own space, they're willing to pay a lot to fix it. But here's the thing most companies won't say out loud. Not every pest problem requires expensive chemicals or long-term contracts. Some problems respond surprisingly well to simple, low-cost solutions. Baking soda is one of those solutions, and that's exactly why it makes big pest control companies uncomfortable. Let's talk about what baking soda actually is. At its core, it's sodium bicarbonate, a simple compound that reacts when it comes into contact with acids. That reaction is why it makes cakes rise and helps clean tough stains. But inside the bodies of many pests, that same reaction causes serious problems. Insects like cockroaches and ants can't handle it well at all. When pests ingest baking soda, it reacts with acids in their digestive system. This creates gas they can't release. Over time, this internal pressure becomes fatal for them. Now, this isn't instant, and it's not flashy, but it works quietly and effectively when used correctly. One reason companies don't love baking soda is that it doesn't sound impressive. There's no warning label, no scary smell, and no feeling that you need a professional license to use it. That's bad for business when your business depends on people believing pests require professional-only solutions. Another issue is cost. Baking soda is cheap. A box costs a couple of dollars and lasts a long time. Compare that to monthly pest control visits, sprays, traps, and service plans. From a business perspective, baking soda doesn't scale well. You can't build recurring revenue around something people already own. Let's talk about ants, because they're one of the most common household pests. Ants aren't just wandering randomly. They follow scent trails left by other ants. When you mix baking soda with something ants are attracted to, like sugar or powdered peanut butter, they carry it back to the colony. Over time, this can disrupt the entire nest. This isn't just about killing ants, it's about breaking the cycle, and breaking cycles doesn't sell repeat services very well. Roaches are another big one. Roaches are tough. They've survived almost everything humans have thrown at them, but they still have weaknesses. Roaches groom themselves constantly. When baking soda is spread lightly in areas they travel, they ingest it during grooming. The reaction inside their bodies does the rest. Pest control companies often rely on sprays that people don't love using around kids or pets. Baking soda doesn't raise the same concerns when used responsibly. That brings us to health. Many people worry about chemical exposure, especially in kitchens and bedrooms. They don't want harsh pesticides near food or sleeping areas. Baking soda feels safer. It's familiar. People already use it on surfaces, in refrigerators, and even in personal care products. When people realize they can address some pest problems with something they trust, it changes how they see the entire industry. Another reason baking soda causes problems for pest control companies is education. Once people learn how pests behave, fear goes down. Fear drives spending. Knowledge creates confidence. When someone understands that ants follow trails or roaches groom themselves, they stop feeling helpless. They start experimenting with simple solutions. Companies prefer customers who feel dependent. Baking soda encourages independence. Now, let's be clear. Baking soda isn't a magic fix for every pest problem. Severe infestations, termites, or wildlife issues still require professionals. But for everyday household pests, baking soda can be part of a smart, layered approach. And layered approaches don't rely on one company's products. Another angle companies don't love is prevention. Baking soda helps with odors and moisture control. Moisture is a huge factor in pest problems. Roaches, ants, and other insects love damp environments. Baking soda absorbs moisture and neutralizes smells that attract pests. When people start preventing pests instead of reacting to them, they need fewer emergency services. That's another hit to the business model. Let's talk about behavior change, because this is where health and wellness come in. Using baking soda often goes hand in hand with cleaner habits. People start wiping counters more often, they seal food better, they pay attention to crumbs and moisture. These habits reduce pests long term. Prevention is powerful, but it doesn't generate panic-driven calls. Pest control advertising often focuses on urgency. Words like infestation, invasion, and danger are used on purpose. Baking soda doesn't fit that narrative. It feels calm, it feels manageable, it lowers stress. Lower stress means fewer impulse decisions. Another issue is transparency. Baking soda forces a conversation about what actually works versus what sounds impressive. When people realize that pests don't care about branding, logos, or fancy bottles, they start asking harder questions. They ask why a simple compound can do what an expensive spray claims to do. That's not a comfortable conversation for every company. There's also the environmental angle. Baking soda breaks down naturally and doesn't leave harmful residues. Many people are trying to live healthier lives. They read labels, they avoid unnecessary chemicals. Baking soda fits into that lifestyle. Pest control companies that rely on older, chemical-heavy models struggle with that shift. Some companies are adapting, to be fair, but others still depend on outdated, fear-based approaches. Let's talk about rodents for a moment. Baking soda alone isn't the go-to solution here, but it plays a supporting role. Used alongside proper food storage and sealing entry points, baking soda helps neutralize odors that attract mice and rats. Less attraction means fewer visits. Again, prevention beats reaction. Another overlooked factor is consistency. Baking soda works best when used regularly in problem areas. Pest control services often come once a month or less. Daily habits can be more effective over time. That idea challenges the belief that only professionals can manage pests. From a health perspective, stress matters. Living with pests causes anxiety, poor sleep, and constant worry. Feeling empowered to handle minor problems yourself reduces that stress. That's a wellness benefit people don't talk about enough. Baking soda is part of a larger shift towards self-care at home. It's about taking control of your environment. Companies that rely on fear don't love empowered customers. Now, let's get to the big reveal. The real reason pest control companies hate baking soda isn't because it's dangerous to them. It's because it changes the story. It turns pest control from a mystery into a manageable problem. It turns panic into planning. When people realize that solutions don't always have to be extreme, they start questioning other areas too. They ask if expensive products are really necessary. They ask if prevention could save money and stress. That mindset shift is powerful. Baking soda represents something bigger. It represents simple solutions hiding in plain sight. It reminds people that health, cleanliness, and prevention often beat quick fixes. That doesn't mean professionals don't matter. It means they're not the only option. The smartest approach is balance. Use simple tools for small problems, call experts when issues are serious. That balance leads to healthier homes, lower stress, and better decision-making. So the next time you see a pest and feel that surge of panic, pause for a moment. Look at what you already have. Sometimes the most powerful tools are the ones you've overlooked for years. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple, science-backed wellness ideas. Share your thoughts in the comments and tell us, have you ever tried a natural solution like baking soda for pests, and did it work for you?